already see the lighthouse from here. We are actually almost at the end point of Aruba Island. So guys, we just arrived here at Arashi beach. So this is the first beach that I've seen here that is quite busier. And yeah, as you can see, the blue water. Arashi beach, so I was wrong, not Arashi. So here, I think here it's always windy every day, and the weather seems to be nice today, although this morning it was really raining so hard. Sand is still a bit wet from today's raining. The watercolor is something like a powder blue color. Look at this spot here, it's so nice, shaded, and the contrast of the trees and the blue water, it's so cool. Truly Caribbean aesthetic, right? For today is done. Here you don't need to pay for entrance fee when you go to the beach. That's something different from Curacao. And also here parking is also free, so except if you're gonna rent those sandbeds, umbrellas and stuff, then you have to pay for it. Lots of this party colorful buses like driving around the island. I think that's a trend here. So guys, we're going to the lighthouse now since it's just like near here, and then after that we'll go to the next beach. Let's check if there's a spectacular view from above there, and still lots of cactuses. Actually go up there. Let's see how much it costs to get inside. There's a lot of people here. Oh wow, there's food truck. It's quite busy here. It's super touristy here. And there's a nice view up there. Let's check it out. Arashi beach over there. That's where we came from. And then you can also see the hotel zones. A food truck selling frio, coconut frio. There are so many coconuts here, just right in front of the lighthouse. Yeah, this must be so good here because people are really falling in line. Cool. No queue at all. The other one, it's I'm so impatient, you know. It's totally busy here, guys. So much people. Decided not to go inside because there's too much people here. There's a long queue, and we will look for a place where we could fly the drone. So Ah, it's hot. It's flaming hot here.
Sizzling.
So let's check this out here. It looks like a t-shirt. So guys, we're gonna try to fly the drone here. Beach for today, called Boca Catalina beach. Compared from the previous beach, it's more rocky here. I think it's good for snorkeling here. Okay, there are so many people going snorkeling here.
It's better mit Snorkeling, weil weniger Wellen.
Yeah, it's less waves and rocky, so the fish love it like that. Maybe. So we might gonna stay here a little bit longer and go for snorkeling. Still, it's free beach. Parking is also free. It's like expensive looking hotel here.
Crystal clear water.
We might gonna stay here a little longer because we're still enjoying snorkeling, right?
So blue.
So blue, my god. But you have to wear shoes because there I saw some sea urchins and they are really big. They are huge. Philippines not really a restaurant. It's only like a takeout counter. We've been there yesterday, and yeah, I really like it there because the prices are like really reasonable. And I'm really feeling so tired right now. And lots of snorkeling, but we had so much fun. We're gonna stop by here at Superfood Plaza. We're gonna buy some drinks. It's the biggest supermarket here in Aruba, and I'm quite curious what do they have here, and also the prices. You want that? Visit Leka House. There's a lot more here. I'm drooling here, Honik. The pastry section is so huge.
Spicy salad.
You want salad?
No salad.
We paid $58 for all of this. Most of these items are imported, so it's a bit expensive. Oh, no wonder today is quite busier than yesterday because there are 2 cruise ships arrived. Back to our hotel, and this is what we ordered. I got fried fish, and then he got pancit bihon. That's it, and we paid $17 for this. Hey guys, we're back to the beach. It's sunset time. The temperature is so better now, not so hot. And then I also brought some beers here, so you're gonna have a chill sunset vibes here. Chill Aruban beer.